YouTube? It's your boy Coyote Mike, and I'm back with another video. It's day 11 on my 30-day YouTube challenge. So today I'm going to be bringing you an update, a 4-month update on the Vantop front and rear dash camera slash rear view mirror device that I have here. So I'm going to give you guys an update, and I feel like it's a really good investment to have for your vehicle, especially this device right here. And this isn't a sponsored video by Vantop. Vantop is not sponsoring this. This is just my honest, true review about this product that I purchased from Vantop. So here we go. All right, you guys. So this is the device right here. This is the Vantop mirror-mounted dash camera Discovery H6 12T. And this is the box that it comes in right here. And I gotta say, man, I've caught some amazing stuff, a couple of wrecks, accidents, and stuff like that. But nonetheless, man, this thing is good in case you ever get into an accident or just want to protect your vehicle. This thing is amazing. Even when the camera is off, it still records motion and all that other stuff. And so if somebody were to walk by, the front of your truck or the back of your truck, it actually starts recording. And it picks up that footage. And the good thing about it too is that it also captures audio. So this is a device right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for you guys. Turn this on, let it boot up. So there we go. You got the little display, it says Vantop. So it's preparing the SD card, and you can see the little red blinking dot. So right now, if somebody were to walk by in front of it or a car drives by, it'll start recording. I'm picking up a little bit of glare from the back. Let me shut this garage so we get that glare out of the way. But yeah, nonetheless, man, this is a good little video. It's voice activated. Show front camera. So it shows you the front camera. That you can also move the screen up and down. Look at the sky if you wanted to. But yeah, this thing is pretty neat. I like it. It's a great little investment. And what's cool about it too, if you wanted to, let's see, which way do I go? Go this way. So it records throughout the whole day, and you're actually able to actually play it back. Let's see, where are we at? Let's go. So this is just, driving down the street right here. And it actually plays the footage for you. And also, it also picks up, let's just say if somebody's walking by the car and they were to bump it kind of hard, it has a sensitivity level, medium, low, high. So if somebody were to bump the car, it would automatically start recording. So this is the front. It also has, let me go back. Let's go that way. So let it load up. Now let's see. Right here is where I want to go. So you could also pick up the rear. So these are the settings you have right here. Front urgent video, rear ordinary. Let's go to rear urgent. So you can see I'm driving down the road right here, and it's just picking up footage, recording, and all that good stuff. But I mean, it's a great little investment. And I'm going to show you guys a quick little video of the things that you can capture with this device. So it's good for if you get into accidents or anything like that. Like I said, it is voice activated. You could do both cameras at the same time. Show both cameras. Show both cameras. There we go. So now we're showing the front and the rear. All right, I'm gonna pause this video real quick, guys, because I got an ice cream truck guy driving by. All right, so we're back up. There goes the ice cream man right there. All right, so show rear camera. Show front camera. And what's neat about it is that it has all these devices right here. You can set your time, your delay, your frequency, resolution, pretty much all this stuff right here. And this is your format, so that way when you put your SD card in there, it is GPS. That's the GPS right there that comes with it. So it'll give you your exact location and stuff like that. Let's see, let's go back. It's also a touchscreen. I'm sure you guys noticed that. But nonetheless, man, this is a great little device, great investment. All you gotta do is hook up your SD card to it and pull the SD card out, and you can play it on your laptop and stuff like that. But it's a great little device. I'm glad I actually bought this and invested the money into it. But let me show you what I picked up the other day. What's up, y'all? So I was on the way this morning to take my brother-in-law to go pick up his truck. He just put a level kit with some 20-inch, 33-inch rims and tires. But it's another good reason why it's good to have this little dash cam, or a dash cam in particular. See this car coming around the corner right here in just a second. Right there. Yeah. So that's what happens, man. But yeah, this guy was just driving, and we don't know what happened. He was probably on his phone looking down and lost sight of what he was doing and how the road was turning. But yeah, this is a good little investment for your insurance and for yourself and protection. But we did get down to see if the guy was okay. He was all right. A little dazed and confused, but nonetheless, he was all right. All right, guys, so that's just a 4-month update on the Vantop rear view dash cam. That is the Discovery H612T. So if you guys are looking to pick that up, you can pick it up on Amazon, or you can go to Vantop.com and you can find it there. It will run you about, when I purchased it was about 176, 175. Prices are going up, so I'm not sure about the price right now because prices are changing significantly. But nonetheless, man, I just wanted to show you guys an update. It's been holding up real good. I love it, man. You guys probably will too. So it comes with the front and rear camera. You guys can mount that pretty much anywhere. It gives you all the accessories, bolts, and screws, and all that other good stuff. But nonetheless, man, I just want to bring you guys an update about that. And then I did pick up the Morimoto headlights. So we got that video coming tomorrow. It's probably going to be another late video on that one because delivery time says before 7 p.m. So we will be bringing you an unboxing and install of the Morimoto headlights for your 09 through 14 F-150. But I just want to thank you guys for staying true to the channel, and all of those who've been down with me since day one. Thanks for hanging in there with me. All the support, all the feedback. Thank you guys for all your comments and everything like that. You know, this stuff ain't easy, man. 30 days, you know, getting content and stuff like that, it's super, super hard. But like I said, I like a challenge, so we'll see how far it goes, and then we'll go from there. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. Until tomorrow, guys, it's your boy, Coyote Mike.